How to connect or integrate Monday.com with Twilio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect or integrate your Monday.com with Twilio. So Twilio is a cloud communication tools that you can use in your application. For example, if you want to notify members or user with text message or email or other communication tools, you can do it with Twilio. So first you can open your monday.com dashboard, and then in this page, as you can see, there is integrate. You can click it, and then in the search box here you can search Twilio. This one you can click Twilio, and as you can see it's integrated, and there are some templates you can use. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. When a new item is created, call someone and say something. So I'm gonna click use template, and then you can sign in to your Twilio account, and then you can click connect, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.